want to show you my sage. This is one plant that has just simply gotten out of control. So I'm going to harvest a bunch, and I'm actually going to, wow, it is really spread out. I'm not going to use any of the yellow leaves that you see here because they're already gone, but I'm going to use the nice green crisp leaves for either tinctures, for herbs for my kitchen. So I just want to show you what I'm going to do today. So we're going to go from harvest to the oven to the quart mason jar. So that is how much I cut off. Holy mackerel. This is about how small they were when I first planted them. 1, 2, and I'm thinking that I don't need 2 plants, so I might dig one up, repot it, and sell it because it is such a good plant. I love this, but I just don't need that much, you know? So maybe somebody else would like it. Okay, so I'm washing the sage, getting the water out. I love this spinner. Decent. Alright. Ooh, that's a lot of water. Okay, I laid it out on the trays and I'm going to put it in the oven at 180 until they're dry. Okay, second batch of sage going in. Gosh, my house smells so wonderful right now. Oh, this is so beautiful. And so I'm drying it at 180. Normally I dry it at 170, but for some reason these are so thick. I don't know if you can see, but there you go. See, this is, sage is just a thicker leaf, so it's taking longer than I had expected, but you just dry it until it crunches, until it basically is dried out, and you'll know. I was able to get 2 quarts of dried sage. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.